Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about formatting in Excel. So formatting in sense like in the formatting, we'll be having different types of fonts, grids, borders. So which means the home, we will discuss all about the ribbon tags. Sorry, ribbon. We will discuss about all the ribbon in home tag. Home, we will discuss all the uh, formatting things in the like how to give the color format, how to give the border format. So all these things like we will see in this video. So in this video, we will select some cells. We will write some hello world, hello world. And if you want to give color for this, so you have to type, you have to copy like this. You can give that color to the text. You can give the red color to the text. So this is all about colors. So we have given the color. And if you want to give a central line, see, we can give central line, left line. And we can give the right line also. So for this, we can use this. And we can use all these things also. Central line, left line, central line, and right line. And you'll be having colors, different types of colors. You can fill it. So if you want to use yellow color to fill the entire cell, you can fill the entire cells. So this is how we can give. Like if you want to bold this thing, you can click on bold and cell will be bolded. The cell will be bolded. So this is how we can see. So we can see. So it is now it is left line. And we are having borders. We're having borders and so based upon that I can select borders based upon it. And you can see that it is a thick border. It is a thick border. So we are having bottom border. We are having top border. Just selecting this thing and top border. For example, I'm selecting this cell and I will use top border. See, we are having the top border, right? We are having the top border. And we are having bottom border, right? This is the bottom border. And we want now left border. See, we are having the left border. And based upon the selection, you will get the different types of borders. Outside borders, thick outside borders, bottom double border, thick bottom borders, top and bottom borders, thick and top and thick bottom border. You will be having draw border. You can draw the border also. So based upon this, you can draw the border also. And you can draw the grid. You can draw the grid. So you can draw the grid. So based upon this thing, we can different we can draw the border, we can draw the border grid, and we can erase it also. We can erase it also. So based upon this, so if you want to erase it, you can use the eraser. Based upon this, in this way, you can erase all the things. And we are having line color. So based upon the line color, we will be having. I will select line color and color blue. Now I have select line color. Yeah. So based upon C, I'm getting the blue color. You can see, right? Let me zoom it and zoom it like this. See here, you can see it, right? It's a blue color. It is a blue color. So in this way, we can use different types of uh, properties. Like we are having line styles. So based upon it, we can use different different lines. So based upon it, we can choose different lines. We are having more borders. like more borders you'll be having. And based upon thing, you'll be having numbers, alignment, font, border, fill, production. So based upon it, you can use general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, the special, and you'll be having alignment. So you can choose general, left, center, right, fill, justify, and center and distributed. And you'll be having top, center, bottom, justify, distributed. So based upon the thing, you can align. You can choose the font size, and you can choose the which type of font you want. You can choose all these things, and you can choose the border here, and you can fill the border with color like the cell, the entire cell. You can uh, hide it or you can lock it based upon thing, and you can choose and you can click on OK. So based upon this thing, you can do all these things. And so this font is completed. This font is completed. And we are having a paste. We are having paste in clipboard. And we are having copy. Then when you click on copy, put a copy collection on the clipboard so that you can paste it somewhere else. So if you click on copy, you can copy all the entire things. You can copy all the entire things. And here we have discussed central and middle and left element. So what is this thing? It is a move your content further away from the cell border. So for example, I'm selecting this, and if you use this, see we can move, right? We can move the content. We can move the content. So in this way, we can move the content. And we are having angle clockwise direction. So based upon this, so we can clockwise, we can choose clockwise, and we can choose vertical text, we can choose rotate text, we can choose rotate text down, and we can choose format cell alignment. So based upon this thing, you can set the left top and if you want to wrap it, you can shrink it, you can merge also. And you have to click on OK. Then it will be chosen. It will be chosen. So you can wrap the text. Same. Fine. So it comes to the normal position. So wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. You can see all of it. For example, for example, just control here and delete everything. Or you can choose new Excel sheet. Click on this thing and yeah, the new sheet will be provided. The new sheet will be provided. So now I will write something like uh, welcome, welcome to the Excel classes. In this class, we will discuss about the formatting and formatting in Excel. So we have to just see here, like we are entering the some amount of text, right? But it is crossing all the lines. Like it is covering B cell, C cell, D cell, E cell. So it is covering. So if you want to see it in A only, so then you have to select A and click on wrap. See, it is coming on. It is coming on A only. It is coming on A only. So we can use wrap it. Like if you want to wrap it in one cell, then you have to write wrap text. And I hope you understand the wrap text. And if you want to image and center it, you can click on it. So then all the things will be center and format, center and format. So that's it, friends. We have discussed about clipboard, font, and alignment, right? In the next class, we will discuss about numbers, styles, cells editing, and add-ins and add-ins. Like we will discuss in the next class, add-ins also. So I hope you understand. So what we have discussed clipboard. So we have discussed the cut. If you want to, as we know, right, the shortcut for cut, Control X. So if you don't know the shortcut key, you can use this Control X, and this is the Control C to copy this. We know the shortcut command, so need not to use this thing. And this is the format painter, and this is the clipboard. You can paste all these things. You can place here and you can clear it off. So this is all about clipboard font and alignment. I hope you understand all these things. And you can see the font size, like for the font names. Based upon it, it can change the all the fonts. I hope you understand. So based upon your interest, you can choose one of these things, and you can choose it and you can implement it. And if you want to increase the font size, you can increase the font size by using this font size. And if you want to use this capital A, then our words will be bolder. And if you use the same, it will be smaller. So I hope you understand all these things. So I hope you understand clipboard, font, and alignment. So in the next class, we will discuss about number, styles, cells, editing, add-ins. So that's it, friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.